رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي امري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي رب زدني علما رب زدني علما رب زدني علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. Today we are doing chapter 12 theorem first because today's video is for my student who requested me for this, so I am doing today theorem first. First of all, we do the theorem, we have to understand some basic concepts. First of all, when the theorem comes, we mix the theorems and we write the other theorem due to the statement. First of all, we have to the best understanding of the statement, because if you have the statement understanding, you can solve the theorem very well. First of all, the statement: any point on the right bisector of a line segment is equidistant from its endpoints. First of all, the thing which is the point on the right bisector. Here you can say that the right bisector, it is, what is the bisector? We have to understand what is the bisector. For this, we have to understand the concept of the bisector. A ray is called a bisector of the line segment if it divides the angle into two equal parts. Here you can see that this ray divide this line segment into two equal parts. Line segment means which have no arrow, no ending point. It is the line segment. You can see that, but of a line segment is equidistant. If BCB and the AC have the equal distance, when you draw this line, so you have to take that point which have the equal distance from A to C and C to B. Here you can see that any point on the right bisector, it is the LM of a line segment. Line segment is BC, is equidistant from its end points. This one, this is the right angle. So it has the C point have the equal distance from A to C and C to B. Now given a line LM, you can see that a line LM intersect, means it curves line AB into two equal parts. Understand? Intersects the line segment means AB at the point C, which is on the point C, such that correspondence, this sign belongs to correspondence, perpendicular, this line shows the perpendicular sign, and you can see here that this is also showing as that LM, and it is LM corresponding perpendicular to line segment. This line is showing the line segment AB and line segment AC. You can see that AC is congruent. Congruent means which have this similarity to line segment BC. Full stop. Then the point P, this is the point P, is the point on correspondence LM, which is also corresponding, which have also the similarity, which have the commonality between two, AC and the BC. It is the line segment AB, and which is LM is perpendicular A on the point C, and which is from the P to C. Now we have to prove line segment P. This is the P to A. This dotted line shows that some construction, it is something extra which I would doing by self. Congruent to line segment PB. You can see that P to B. Here construction, which we take the thing which we do extra from this statement, and we show it with this line. Construction join P to the point A and B. When something extra we are doing, it is shown by the dotted line. Dotted lines, you can see that. Now there is some other things proof. We have to prove. Their proof have the two things, statements and the reasons. You can see that statements triangle ACP, there is some space between. This shows the cross point as triangle BCP. They are the two triangles. You can see that A, C and the B. Where is the angle? That point will come in between. Okay? The C point lies on the angle. So C comes in between. Now triangle BCP. You can see that triangle BCP. Now AC, line segment AC congruent to line segment BC. Now this one which we write in the triangle form, it is also showing the angle. You can see that angle ACP is congruent to angle BCP. And this thing AC, line segment AC congruent to line segment BC, we see in the given. You can see, we write it here in the given. So, angle ACP is congruent to angle BCP given PC perpendicular to AB. You can see that PC is perpendicular to AB, line segment AB, so that each angle, this side shows the angle at C. L is purely you can see that when we write L, it is straight, but when we write the angle sign, it's some. This thing, you can see that each angle at C is equal to 90 degree. This shows the 90 degree. Now, PC, line segment PC congruent to line segment PC. This is the common point. PC is common to angle ACP and angle BCP. This is the common point. Now, these three dots and the one dot is on the upper side, it shows the therefore. It's made therefore. Angle ACP is congruent to angle BCP. S dot A dot S. It means side angle side postulate. Postulate means demands. It means angle side angle side angle side. Okay? There is only one angle, so side angle side angle side. Postulate means demands. It demands angle is congruent because both triangles are common and both the demands both are the congruent. Hence angle PA. You can see that angle PA is congruent to angle PB. You can see that angle PA is congruent to angle PB. Now we write the reason. Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. This shows the corresponding sides of the congruent triangle. I hope you will understand it. If you have any confusion or any problem, you can comment me. Okay, Allah Hafiz.